In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate 3D objects using PowerPoint, enhancing your presentations with dynamic animations that stand out. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. You'll want to make sure that your software is up to date to take full advantage of the latest features. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation you want to work with. If you don't have one prepared, don't worry, you can start with a new slide or use a template to ensure you have a suitable background for your 3D object. Now let's get to the fun part, interacting with your 3D model. Locate your 3D object within your slide. It will likely be an element that really needs to pop for your audience. Click on the model to select it. This is the part where you can really bring your presentation to life. Once your model is selected, you'll see a circular icon right in the middle of the 3D model. This is your interactive rotation control. Click and drag this icon in any direction, which will rotate the model on its axis. Take a moment to play around with it and see how the object shifts in perspective. This is a great way to engage your audience visually, showing off different angles of your model. But wait, there's more. PowerPoint also offers preset rotation options that simplify the process even further, especially if you're looking for precision or just want a different style of rotation. For this, go to the 3D Model tab on the PowerPoint ribbon. It's found at the top of the workspace once you've selected the 3D model. This will give you access to additional tools designed specifically for manipulating 3D objects. Under this tab, find the 3D Model Views drop-down. Clicking this will present you with a variety of preset orientations and angles. These are particularly useful if you want to quickly apply a consistent rotation or need some inspiration on how best to display your model. Experiment with these options to see which view best highlights the key features of your object and fits seamlessly within the context of your presentation. Choose your preferred model view from the drop-down and instantly see how it transforms the look and feel of your slide. Not only does this save time, but it also ensures that your presentation maintains a professional and polished appearance. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've added an eye-catching element to your presentation that's sure to capture your audience's attention. Remember, with PowerPoint's animation capabilities, the only limit is your creativity. Keep exploring the different tools available to make each presentation unique and memorable. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on transforming your slideshows into dynamic visual stories.